Greetings! Today's adventure takes us to Debbie Lightsey Nature Park. This park is off of Capitol Circle Southwest between Pensacola Street and Orange Avenue. This park has currently one porta potty, paved parking lot, and 4 disabled parking spots. There are 4 of these covered picnic areas throughout the park. Most of the paths are very low impact. They are paved, gravel, and boardwalk. This is one of the newer parks in Tallahassee. It actually opened in October of 23. And this park features a mountain bike trail. I did not go on this because I did not have my bike. And as you can see, there are wetlands, so the possibility of seeing alligators, snakes is pretty high, but there are ducks. When I came out here recording this, I saw ducks and geese, great blue herons, egrets. It was beautiful. The park also features places to either water your dog or fill up your water bottle, water fountains. And as you can see, the paths aren't that long. I think the entire loop is 1 mile. But it is such a beautiful park, and the boardwalk is so well worth it. Going through, seeing the cypress trees, seeing the wildflowers, especially in the spring. I came during the summer, so most of the wildflowers were not in bloom. And the paths throughout this park are very wide. As I mentioned, they're low impact, great if you have a stroller or a wheelchair. While I was out here, I even heard some bullfrogs. Didn't see them, but I heard them. Beautiful spot to look out over the wetlands. Great place to bring a dog. Now, I didn't see a whole lot of poison ivy, but I would still stay on the path. And there's part of the mountain bike path right there. Hey, kiddo! This sports a very unique playground. When my son was younger, he loved coming here. Benches around the playground. And there are also benches along the path. But thank you for joining me today.